Hello, my name is Robert Decker, and I'm your Client Services Manager. This video will discuss Exhibitor badge registration. You will not be emailed a link to register staff, but you will be directed to register via the Exhibitor Hub. If you do not know what the Exhibitor Hub is, please watch my short walkthrough video on the Exhibitor Hub before trying to register yourself and booth staff. Now, once you're logged into the Exhibitor Hub, you will see a link on the left-hand side that says Get Badges. Once you click that, assuming that you are the primary contact, you will end up on a page that looks just like this. If you have not opened the registration portal quite yet, you will be prompted to answer 3 demographic questions about your company before seeing this page. It'll ask if you as the primary contact will be attending the show, it'll ask your job title, and it'll ask your area of focus. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this specific page. On the left hand of the screen, you will see several options in your side panel navigation. We're going to focus only on the exhibitor registration drop-down menu today. Let's start with the roster. The roster will show you the list of staff that you have already registered and allow you to edit or delete your existing badges, purchase upgrades, and retrieve visa invitation letters if needed. These different options will give you access to do those specific items. Next up, you're going to see the Register Booth Staff tab. That is going to allow you to register staff by simply asking for first name, last name, job title, and email. Next is the Register Exhibitor Experience Pass tab, which will require a bit more information, but it is required to access the educational content for the event. If you or one of your team members are looking to attend the event's education sessions on booth move-in days and further network with your customers, we highly recommend upgrading to this pass. Next, you will see the Register Previous Personnel tab. If you have exhibited with SupplySide Global before, it'll contain a list of previous staff which you can import with a simple checkbox. Lastly, you will see the Upload a File tab. This will allow you to download a template, fill out the names, job titles, and emails of your staff, and then upload that file into the platform. After a quick review page, it'll all be imported into your roster. I hope that this video tutorial will help you better navigate the supply side exhibitor registration portal. If you get stuck or have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our client services team at 800-927-5007. Thank you.